Hi friends, are you okay? I hope so. Are you happy? I hope so. I hope you all are doing fine. Let's get started. This is again me, Dr. Psychotherapist, the expert of body language, lie detector, and LP master trainer, specialized programs, and the clinical hypnotherapist from Azerbaijan, Elnay RAHİMOV TAMBOVSKİY. Our topic for today is much more interesting. What is the nature of belief, especially when the matter is talking about beliefs in God or religion? What does lay below these beliefs? Actually, the belief itself is not the truth. Let's illuminate it by giving some examples. 1. Religious people believe God exists. 2. Atheist people believe God doesn't exist. 3. Deist people believe God exists. At the same time, these people believe the other religions don't exist. 4. Agnostic people supposedly neither believe nor disbelieve. They investigate, however. Even agnostic people hold a belief that they will eventually find the truth. As you can see clearly according my 4 examples, the belief has nothing to do with reality. And there is one more category. This is gnosia. Gnostic people believe. No. Gnostic people know God exists, and existence doesn't need a belief or proof. Thank you very much for your attention.